I'm Amber, and I'm the CEO and the founder of Food Literacy Center. We're a nonprofit in Sacramento that inspires kids to eat their vegetables. So we go into Title I elementary schools. So these are low-income schools, typically located in food deserts where they don't have a lot of access to fresh and local produce. And we bring all kinds of amazing fruits and vegetables to the kids. And then we make a recipe hands-on. So the kids are making anything from broccoli potato tacos to our famous rainbow soup. And so they're, grating carrots and chopping celery, and they're exploring and becoming food adventurers. We live right here in America's farm to fork capital, where the solution to these problems are growing in abundance, and that's the healthy fruits and vegetables that our farmers are growing. We're very fortunate here in California. We're the first state in the nation to actually designate a farm to school program at the state level rather than the federal level. This is so critical because this means that we are having our farmers and our kids join forces in protecting their health. As we begin to perfect and define best practice in the state of California, hopefully we can begin to see this trickle out into other states as well.